Hi viewers, I'm Marshall Switzerland. How to remove or how to fix error iPhone for iPhone X, XS, error 4013. I have tried also. That problem is the front camera sensor for iPhone X, XS or XS Max. We can remove the fault in simple way. Only we have to do something. I'll show you guys. Wait a minute. This mobile I have already opened. It's the iPhone XS. If it's iPhone XS or XS Max, it's no problem. You can remove it simple. You can open the mobile, and the same time you can remove the front sensor. The flex cable removed like this. You can remove this sensor, and again the mobile will be in iTunes mode. You can connect with computer again. The 100% work with this system for you. You see, again you can click OK. Can restore. Oh, it didn't restore. It may take 3 to 4 minutes. Everything will be all right. I have tried so many ways to change the front sensor and everything. It's not supported for me. Just I have tried today without the front sensor camera. Then it's working. The face sensor like that. If you remove only this flex cable, after you can fix it. It will work normally. Still also it's not finished. Okay. Normally, if that fault have in your mobile, after the waiting for iPhone will come error immediately. Now it started for downloading the software restoring. You see. Normally this fault become the water damage. This mobile also, the customer has a broken display. Here have one hole, that's why ended some water inside the front sensor. That's why it happened. But it doesn't matter, we can do it. The 5 minutes work, it's finished. The software also. we don't have any, I don't have any proper video channels or proper the video cameras. I make just my mobile and inform you, the my viewers. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Later I can do it more. The future I can do it more good videos for you. Now is process for verifying iPhone software. Same. It's also done. Now it's restoring firmware. It's also done. Verify phone restore, and here is also 1 minute. It's finished. Now the mobile is ready. After you can fix new display or you can fix the sensor again. The mobile is perfectly alright. Just we have to wait. Still open. After this is finished, we can fix it, or now we can fix it also. There's nothing, any problem. Now I am fixing for the front sensor, ear speaker connector. And also the relate. The middle of the screw for plus screwdriver you can use. is for 3-star. Everything is finished. You see, it's finished. The mobile, we don't have any errors. The SIM log, I don't know, it's from the customer mobile. Just know that's the Swiss. Okay, manual configuration. Connect with Wi-Fi. My name is Marshall. So I connected the VLAN. Okay, then we have to add only iCloud. iCloud I don't have, it's iCloud ID for the customer. Thank you very much, viewers. Have a nice day.